Welcome back to Epic Yarn Gems. Today we're going to be working on the front post double crochet. I've started us off with a chain stitch and a row of double crochets, which we're going to finish right here. So this is going to be our last double crochet, and then we're going to chain 2 and move on from there. As you can see, we have our V's like we normally do. But with a post stitch, we're not going to go into the V's, we're actually going to go into the posts. I pulled the yarn here so you can actually see what the posts look like. They're the little pieces underneath where our V's are. So to do a front post, we're going to do a double crochet, and we're going to go in those spaces between. So we're going to yarn over, go in through the front. So this is the front post, and then we're going to weave around that post and come back out and yarn over and finish our double crochet out. So this is what a front post actually looks like. A little odd looking until you maybe get more rows going. So again, I'm going to go in that space. We're going to come out the other space, and we are going to finish our double crochet. So one more time, we're going to find our post in the spaces between, and we're going to do our double crochet by going into the space from the front, weave it around, and come back through the front. I'm also going to be showing you how to do a back post double crochet, but I thought we would start with the front post because personally I think it's a little easier and a little less awkward. So in a pattern, if you're going to see the abbreviation for front post, it will always be an FP, and then it will also be whatever stitch is going to go into that front post. So FPDC would be a front post double crochet. So as you can see, once you get going, it's really just a rhythm and where you're placing the hook. So rather than going underneath a stitch, you're actually going around a stitch. So we're going to finish up this last row with the double crochet stitch. As you can see now, we have one full row completed. I'm going to show you the front and the back. I appreciate you spending time with me today. And as always, if you like what you've seen, please subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you get notifications when my new videos come up. And leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thanks. Have a great day.